The psychology of money. How your mindset affects your wealth. Hi there, it's Luigi, and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. Today we are going to talk about the psychology of money and how your mindset affects your wealth. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Psychology is the study of the mind and how it affects our behavior. When you apply psychology to money, you are studying the mind and how it influences your financial behavior. Whether you have a history of buying on impulse, are concerned every time you make a purchase, or are too terrified to even check your credit card balance, all of this reveals a lot about your particular money psychology. Your mindset around your money. Your attitude towards money might impact your behavior. Everyone, whether they realize it or not, has their own distinct money psychology. When it comes to personal finance, we all behave differently. Furthermore, we all have distinct attitudes and views about money and how we spend and save it based on our personal histories. As we learn more about financial freedom and better methods to manage money in our specific situations, our values and beliefs may shift. Financial mindsets. Money is almost never about money. It is all about conduct when it comes to money. Your money habits, emotions, and sentiments will impact how you spend money and what your financial goals are. So, what exactly is a financial mindset? It is a financial mentality with a preset of money beliefs. We've all got them. Even if you can't articulate it, your thinking is present implicitly. It is critical to take the time to determine your financial thinking. Why? Because your financial thinking will either assist or hinder your success. It's either that or nothing. It is not enough to simply declare previous financial ideas wrong. You must also replace them with a new perspective. Here are the greatest replacements for 4 prevalent financial mindsets. 1. The mindset that your existence revolves around what you own. You should keep in mind that your life is not about buying things. Americans are buyers. This isn't breaking news. We are often distracted by what is fresh, next, and just out of our financial range. We rationalize it as if it were our job. However, this never-ending cycle of upgrading is harming your financial situation. It is essential to reduce your reliance on your money, but reducing your reliance on stuff is also key. Learning to live with an older model car and phone will simplify your financial life significantly. 2. The mindset that people with additional money should save their money. You should recognize the significance of an emergency fund. Your financial life is simple. Spend less than you earn. It can be extremely easy. However, it is common for people to spend every single dime they have, leaving little room for mistakes in the future. Emergencies happen, and you might not have an additional $500 this month to cover the fried equipment caused by lightning. This is how debt accumulates, so adopt a saving mindset. Saving a percentage of your money not only reduces your reliance on your income, but also keeps you out of debt in the future. Your initial aim is $1,000. Work your way up to 3 months' worth of costs. 3. Adopt the expression, "I can't afford that." The fact that you can afford the payment does not imply that you can afford the item. Making the words, "I can't afford it," a daily part of your vocabulary will help you avoid accidental expenditure. It will also create a spend-cutting attitude. 4. someone or something is at fault. Instead, don't waste your time seeking someone else to blame. It's possible that someone stole your identity or something, but it's also likely that you and only you are accountable for your financial life. All of your actions, large and little, may be what brought you to your current financial situation. The less time you spend blaming others of your current situation, the sooner you'll be able to move on and make the necessary changes to improve your circumstances. The scarcity mindset. A scarcity mindset is a belief that wealth is limited and that one can run out or never have enough. A scarcity mindset is also known as bag lady syndrome, a phrase coined in the 1970s to explain women's worry about being impoverished and homeless in retirement. Here's how you can change this kind of mindset. 1. Concentrate on abundance. An abundance mentality is the polar opposite of a scarcity mindset. The belief that there are infinite riches and opportunities in the world. Make a point of tracking your everyday accomplishments to begin changing your emphasis toward abundance. 2. Flip the script. Scarcity thinking stems from a gloomy perspective of the world. Think the exact opposite of how you are feeling and repeat the positive ideas frequently. For instance, instead of saying, "I can't picture starting a new job with a greater salary," tell yourself, "I've got this, and I am more than equipped to excel at blank." Or say, "I can't wait to meet new and fascinating people," rather than telling yourself, "I am a horrible networker." 3. Improve your financial education. Learning more about personal finance, investment, and wealth creation may also lead to empowerment. Start small to understand more about your money. Read articles, listen to podcasts, and watch videos on YouTube. You can get deeper into it by reading books, taking classes, and consuming more in-depth material. Power comes from knowledge. Learning more about money makes it less frightening. The dreaded latte factor. We've all heard it a million times. Quit drinking coffee, invest your money, and get wealthy, right? No, not exactly. Many people take the latte factor to suggest that you should cease buying items that make you happy. Instead, it's meant to educate you on how investment leads to compound growth over time, a trick utilized by the Financial Independence Group to accumulate money. You may transition to an abundance mindset by modifying your behavior on items you don't value. Please, however, do not remove your morning coffee run if it is the highlight of your day. Along with the abundance mentality and the latte factor, the Financial Independence Group has many timeless lessons about the psychology of money. These are some examples. Live within your means. Reduce your spending. Increase your earnings. Invest the difference between your earnings and expenses. Keep track of your spending and revenue. Make use of a budget or spending plan. Invest in index funds and/or real estate at a reasonable cost. Timing the stock market is superior to timing it. Your own money psychology will define your path to financial freedom and aspirations. The preceding criteria can be used in a variety of ways. Keep in mind that different people will have different problems that may require different solutions. How mental health can impact your finances. Just as money influences our behavior, our mental health might influence how we manage our money. Here are 4 ways your mental health affects your relationship with money. Money mismanagement can be exacerbated by poor mental health. Mental health issues might make it difficult to regulate your spending, pay bills, or budget properly. Certain mental health issues might occasionally lead to impulsive conduct. If you're dealing with mental health concerns, it's critical to include financial well-being in your well-being strategies. Discuss your options with a skilled mental health practitioner or your doctor. Understanding your spending and saving habits allow you to invest in yourself while still spending on what you value. Financial or general therapy can also assist you in determining what you value and do not value spending money on. According to one study, 60% of participants felt anxious about personal money and 50% felt stressed while discussing personal finance. According to the same poll, women made up 65% of respondents who were concerned about their personal finances. Anxiety can have an indirect impact on our financial habits. We frequently associate success with productivity, being busy, and generating a lot of money. However, the illusion of activity might conceal an individual's interior suffering. It might be a better idea to seek some help instead of hiding your struggles. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.